Hey there guys, do you want to make this amazing, interactive, and really cool navigation pane in PowerPoint that actually works? So let me show you how to make this, but first be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. You can get this navigation pane template from my Patreon link in the description below with premium. Let's start. First of all, change the background fill to a dark fill. Insert a rounded corner rectangle, make it fully rounded, and then put it into the middle and the center of your slide and give it a dark fill. So I'm going to use navy blue, give it the fifth number shadow, go to insert tab, and from images where I'm just going to insert four of the icons that I recently downloaded. So these are going to be our SVGs that we're going to use for the icons in the navigation pane. Let's just give them a lighter fill and put each one of them in our round comic rectangle, and we're gonna just change their sizes that they are equal, and let's just put all of them in their places. So here you go. This way we're gonna put them and settle them in each of our slide, plus we can like change them, rotate them, or anything else we want to do with them. So let me tell you again that you can get this and buy this premium template from my Patreon link in the description below, and you can then use it for your own purposes, and it's only for $3 to $4. So let's continue, and the next thing you're gonna do is just like rotate your icons if you want, or give them shadows or other effects. Now duplicate the slide, increase the first icon size and move it a bit of upwards out of the round rectangle. Go to format shape. First of all, we're gonna go to previous slide, select all of the icons and then change them to a shape so that we can change their fill to our gradient fill. And we're gonna do the same into this slide. Select this one icon, and we're gonna like give it two gradient stops of gradient, and then change. I'm gonna use a gradient that I recently like took from uigradients.com. Let's give it glow as well, so that it all have a mesmerizing effect. Now duplicate your first slide about three more times. Now go to the third slide and increase this music icon, which is on the second place. Now we're gonna move it upwards out of the slide and increase its size, and then give it another gradient. Give it glow as well. Here you go. Now go to the third slide, like the fourth slide, and we're gonna move this third icon, which is a lotus flower. We're gonna also move it upwards and out of the round rectangle, change its gradient as well. For this last fifth slide, we're gonna increase this color palette icon. We're gonna give it a changed gradient. This looks nice. Give it a glow effect as well, from like a glow in the shape effects option. Now we're gonna go to the first slide, select the first icon, and then go to shape of insert tab and action, click on mouse over and click on hyperlink to, and we're gonna hyperlink it to the next slide. And for the second icon, we're gonna hyperlink it to the third slide. First of all, go to custom slide and then select the third slide. Similarly, we're gonna hyperlink the third icon to the fourth slide, and for the fourth icon, we're gonna hyperlink it to the fifth slide from the custom option in the mouse over option of hyperlink. So this is a preview of how it looks right now when we are onto the first slide. But we also want it to be hyperlinked on other slides as well. So we're just gonna go to each slide and hyperlink the each of the respective icon to their respective slide in which they are like opened and more wider. But be sure to be careful that the same icon on that slide in which the same icon is greater in size, we will not hyperlink it to the same slide because we are currently onto that similar slide. So we're just gonna click on mouse over option and click on hyperlink to, and we're gonna go to custom slides, and then we're gonna just hyperlink each of the icon to the slide in which it is greater in size and like more bolder to be seen. Similarly, this is gonna be our last slide. Here you go. Yeah, so select all of your slides and go to transitions tab. And yeah, so this is how it looks like now. You can give morph transition if you want this type of effect, but let's just remove the morph transition because I want them to be just like this. And you cannot give them more transition if you want that effect. So this is a final result, and whenever I hover my mouse onto each of the icon will look bolder and more colorful, and this like adds a really nice and cool view in your template. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.